Hello guys, welcome back to Land App. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you why are my Shopify payments payouts not following my payout schedule. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if you're having problems with your payouts here on Shopify, there are going to be a few things that you need to check and you need to do. So first is you want to check your payout status. So to be speaking, in your Shopify admin page, you want to go to your settings. And under settings, you want to go ahead and go to payments. And in here, you could go and just click on the view payout options. Now, in this case, if a payout has been pending for over a month here, has been a while, well, in this case, this may indicate some issues. Now, you need to understand here how the pay period actually works. So the pay period is the time between when a customer's payment is captured and when funds are sent to your bank. Now, if your payout schedule is set to daily, it means Shopify processes payments every business day. However, bank processing times occur around like 24 to 72 hours and can cause delays in receiving funds. And also, you want to check Shopify's regional pay period list to confirm the expected timeline for your location. For this one, is actually varies depending on your location, so it's best to check that first. And also, you want to look for any error messages here. So in this case, again, your payment section, you want to look for any notifications or error here related to payouts. Now, errors include like banking issues, verification problem, and fraud reviews. So in this case, if you do see those pop up, it's best to solve those issues. So if you have like banking issues, make sure to correct that and update your banking. And also if you have like verification problems, just make sure to verify your account or yourself here in the platform in order for you to start receiving payments. Now, in this case, if none of this actually work, the best bet that you could do here is to contact Shopify support. So in this case, in order for you to contact them, you want to go ahead and click on My Store at the top right here, or your Shopify store, and you want to go ahead and click on the Help Center option. Now, this should open up Help Center, but what you could do here is you want to go to the chatbot that you'll be getting in here, and just say that you want to contact support. And from then on, the bot itself will help you connect your account to a representative, and they should be able to help you resolve any issues, especially with your payouts here. They could check those for you in the back end. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to Land App. Thank you for watching.